This is SniffleEase, and if you have these sniffles, it will help you. And it's a kid oil, and I have these SniffleEase, so I'm gonna put it on right now.
And hold your hand out. So hold it up so they can see you. Your hand, your whole hand. There you go. Just one drop.
Well, on my finger.
Oh, you're gonna use your other finger. There you go.
So you have to put it on your nose for it to work really good.
And you can put it under your nose a little bit if you want it.
Under your nose too.
Like right here on your nostril. And then.
But you have to smell it, and it smells really good, and it is a kid oil.